Start.
Hello, good evening and welcome to all of you guys. I am deliberating a speech in a discipline, and there is no doubt that the human is like an animal and the most undisciplined person on the earth. Even in nature, nothing works without discipline. The animals of birds don't oversleep and oversleep. They perform the daily tasks with their discipline. Have you seen a lion suffering from the constipation? Absolutely not. Only a man keeps on consuming alcohol in excess, even when the doctors warns him not to. He keeps on smoking cigarettes, even when he knows that the nicotine is killing him. He would eat sugar, sweets, oily foods, even when he is diabetes. and then I will start our speech in a power of persistence. There is a word of consistent daily action, you know. The word is persistence, and it's probably one of the most unused and undervalued words in the entire dictionary. The best definition of the persistence I have here comes from Newt Gingrich, who says the persistence of hard work you do offer you get tired of doing the hard work you already did. In other words, persistence may not be glamorous, but it swear gets the job done. I think too many Americans today overvalue talent and the overvalue persistence. We think not the only super talented people make it big in this country, but nothing could be further from the truth and person. And like Michael Jackson, there are its own sheer guts, determinations, and the persistence. Colonel Sanders and Kentucky fired the chickens flame and the perfect examples. Colonel Sanders did not even start his worldwide enterprise until he retired from the realize when he was over 60 minutes started. He started swapping his sweets, chickens recipe and 2 restaurants all over the South. For month he drove thousands of the meals, stopping of every roadside restaurants along the way to see if the owners would buy his chicken's recipe. More often than that, Sanders ended up sleeping in his car because couldn't afford the motor room. And all in all, Colonel Sanders was rejected by the show place, and before a kind restaurant's owners took pity on him and allowed him to demonstrate his process. Today there are thousands of Kentucky Fried Chicken franchises in hundreds for countries all over, the best cook in the world. And he wasn't the most brilliant businessman in the world either. If he had been, he would have on the railroad or employed him as a labor for the 40 plus years. But he was without a doubt one of the most persistent people in the world. And it was persistence, the talent then took him to the office persistent. A wise man once remarks, for the persistence is not a long race. It is many short race for the others. Think about it. In the conversations between the streams, always win by, as a Shakespeare put it, much rain bears on down the marbles. The simple truth of the matter is that persistence effort will be always trimmed in the end, and we should took a persistent in our life himself. So thank you very much.